Welcome, beauty queens. So here is the finale. A lot of it doesn't look different than it did last time because I used this color before. But remember, if you saw my previous video, I mixed it with the Cream of Nature Honey Blonde. So this time I only used the Ginger Blonde. And obviously you saw how I did it. So I am happy. I am super satisfied. I didn't do my roots because I think I am going to do exactly what I did last time and use the, I forget the brand, but it's their Champagne Blonde. And going to put that on my roots. That's what I did last time, and I like doing that because it lifted my roots without bleach, and it also did that. It didn't do it a whole lot, so it's going to like almost kind of fade into it. So obviously I'm going to deep condition my hair. I am not going to try that at least for another week, and then I'll probably do my roots. But I'm happy. I'm happy. Now, if you try this and your hair does not look exactly like mine, remember, my hair was first, previously professionally dyed. B, you have to check out my other video to see how I did last time. And like, I don't know, I'm like a visual person, so I go by like the look that I want. I don't know. But anyways, I'm done, guys. So I'm going to deep condition probably overnight. But I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Man, the back is a beast. The back is like, girl, I'm going to get light when I want to get light. So maybe the next time I try this. But it definitely looks good. It feels good. I use first I washed with Aussie Moist shampoo. And then I followed up with some super cheap coconut dollar store conditioner. And then I did my Organic Grow Poo moisturizing while using the conditioner that came with this box. Now I'm going to deep condition overnight. I think I'm going to add my cassia to my deep conditioner and just go from there and just sleep with it overnight. Rinse it out in the morning and see how I feel. But so far I'm feeling good. Like, okay. Oh, one more thing is I do like to add rice water when I do my deep conditioner overnight with my cassia. However, because rice water is, I'm sorry, my lips are dry. Because rice water is technically a protein, I am not going to use it because I don't want to challenge my hair. I need to get this moisture back popping, health popping, strength popping. And like I said in my last video, if you do not take care of your hair, matter of fact, no matter what, I don't recommend box dye. This is literally, I was literally taking a chance, like, again. But I highly recommend you talk to a professional so you can get the look you're going for. And thank you for watching.